This is the orange garage here at Westfield Old Orchard.
There's more elevators in here too.
Oh, it's a Dover.
It's a Dover.
And it's waiting right here. Came all the way to Illinois to ride a Dover Impulse.
You bet.
I like this button that works but doesn't do anything.
I know, right?
Alright, so let's listen to it. Wow. Ooh.
The dual chimes.
Listen to those relays.
These are microprocessor, I'm pretty sure. I guess this one skips to this one.
But the phone was replaced.
It's not a hell.
You want to go with second, right?
Let's go to 6 and then we'll send it down and listen to the motor up there.
Go to switch and 6 and switch. There's other elevators.
Oh, indicator on every floor. Nice. Orange garage, Westfield Old Orchard. I like the way that echoes. Dover Impulse. Still says Bloomingdale's entrance. Alright, let's listen to the motor. These things are fast. Look at that Dover logo. Wow, look at the bottom of the
Very crusty.
Yeah,
Yep.
these are so messed.
motor sounds nice. Look at how slow the door is.
Allow me to help you. That's loud. Okay. Bye, guys.
What?
It's coming.